Hi tech audience, in this video I am going to compare the Asus ROG Phone 5 with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Hope you will find this video helpful, and if you find a mistake in the video, make sure to comment down below, finish your comments so that everyone find the accurate information they are looking for. Weight: ROG Phone 5 240 grams, while the iPhone 12 Pro Max 228 grams. Protection: the Asus ROG Phone 5 has the Gorilla Glass 6, while the iPhone 12 Pro Max has the unknown Gorilla Glass. SIM slots: the ROG Phone 5 has dual SIM slot, while the iPhone 12 Pro Max has single SIM slot. IP rating: the Asus ROG Phone 5 have no IP rating, while the iPhone 12 Pro Max have IP68 water and dust certified. Display type: the ROG Phone 5 has AMOLED panel, while the iPhone 12 Pro Max has the Super Retina XDR OLED panel. Display size: the ROG Phone 5 has 6.78 inches display, while the iPhone 12 Pro Max has 6.7 inches display. Resolution: the ROG Phone 5 has 1080 by 2340 pixels, while the 12 Pro Max has 1284 by 2778 pixels. Display features: the ROG Phone 5 and 12 Pro Max both have HDR10 plus support, 144Hz per ROG Phone 5, 60Hz per 12 Pro Max, 380 ppi ROG Phone 5, 458 ppi 12 Pro Max, 84.5% screen ROG Phone 5, 87.4% screen iPhone 12 Pro Max, 1100 nits of peak brightness per ROG Phone 5, 1200 nits of peak brightness for iPhone 12 Pro Max. Operating system: the Asus ROG Phone 5 is running on Android 11 out of the box, while the 12 Pro Max is running on iOS 14 out of the box. Chipset: the Asus ROG Phone 5 has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G 5nm, while the iPhone 12 Pro Max has the Apple A14 Bionic chipset. Selfie camera: the Asus ROG Phone 5 has 24 megapixels of selfie camera, while the iPhone 12 Pro Max has 12 megapixels of selfie camera. The ROG Phone 5 record 1080p up to 30 frames per second, while the iPhone 12 Pro Max record 4K up to 30 frames per second on their selfie cameras. Rear cameras: the ROG Phone 5 has triple camera setup on the back, 64 megapixels of primary lens with f1.8 aperture, 13 megapixels of ultra wide with f2.4 aperture, 5 megapixels of macro with f2.0 aperture. On the other hand, the iPhone 12 Pro Max also has a triple camera setup on the back, 12 megapixels of primary lens with f1.6 aperture, 12 megapixels of telephoto with f2.2 aperture, 12 megapixels of ultra wide with f2.4 aperture, and a time applied 3D LiDAR sensor. Recording on the rear camera: the Asus ROG Phone 5 record 8K up to 30 frames per second, while the iPhone 12 Pro Max record 4K up to 60 frames per second on the rear cameras. Speakers: the ROG Phone 5 had DTX stereo speaker, while the iPhone 12 Pro Max has stereo speakers. Headphone jack: the ROG Phone 5 have no headphone jack, while the iPhone 12 Pro Max also have no headphone jack. Sensors: the ROG Phone 5 has the under display optical sensor, while the 12 Pro Max has the Apple Face ID. Battery: the ROG Phone 5 has 6000 mAh battery, while the iPhone 12 Pro Max has 3687 mAh battery. Fast charge: the ROG Phone 5 supports 65 watt, while the 12 Pro Max supports 20 watt fast charge. Network: the ROG Phone 5 and the iPhone 12 Pro Max both devices have 5G network support. Price: the ROG Phone 5 is expected to launch at $799, while the 12 Pro Max launch at $1299. RAM: the ROG Phone 5 has 12 gigs, 16 gigs, 18 gigs of RAM, while the 12 Pro Max has only 6 gigs of RAM. Storage: ROG Phone 5 has 256 gigs, 512 gigs, and the 12 Pro Max has 128 gigs of extra storage options. So that's up for you in this video. Hope you like this video, and if you don't want to miss any new video from Tech Audience, make sure to subscribe. Catch you guys in the very next video.